Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all good. My name is Suraj Jingde. I am from Rasuni College, BTech degree 2021 pass out from IIT. So today's date is 12 August 2021 and today's topic is what is meant by inheritance, explain it briefly. So in today's video I will explain about what is meant by inheritance, inheritance types, how to use inheritance, extend these keyword, etc. all this in this video. So let's start it. Firstly, what is meant by inheritance? I will explain it. What is meant by inheritance? So inheritance in a Java is a concept of that acquires the properties from one class to the another class. For example, a father and a student relationship. Means I will take one real-time example to understand you briefly. Means father and son. Father has has their own property, means own house. So he has only one means he can say that my father has his own house. And the second one is son. So son is father's subclass, means father's own blood. So son will means when you ask to son means is this your house, he will mean the son says that yes, this is my house. So and after when the son become old and when he had his own house, so what the son said like my own house and my father house is mine, is also mine. So this is one real time example of inheritance. Means here the father's property is also accessed by son and son's property is also accessed by son. So this is how the inheritance work. So like it is a father and son relationship, then the class of and that inherits the property from is known as inherit the property is known as subclass, the and or child class. So means the son is subclass or you can also call as child class. So the idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create a new class that is built upon an existing class. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse the method of the existing class of means a method of parent class. Moreover, you can add new method in a new field which is called which means subclass. You can add new method in subclass also. So reusability is the main important point of a inheritance. So inheritance is represent as a relationship, like a father is a relationship of a son. So is a relationship which is also known as father child relationship. So why we are using inheritance in Java? So there are two main points for using inheritance in Java. First one is method overriding. Means you can use runtime polymorphism can be achieved in inheritance. And the second one is like for code reusability. Just I explained, you can use old code and you can add their new code in subclass. So types of inheritance. So means firstly I will types terms of inheritance. So terms used in inheritance are like class. So class means a class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which object is created. Then is a second one is subclass, or you also called as child class. So subclass is a class which inherit the other class. So just I explained, subclass inherit the other class means a parent class. So it is also called derived class or extended class or child class. Then superclass or parent class. Superclass or parent class means like where you where a subclass inherit the data from the superclass. So this is like that. Then reusability is the term like as the name specifier. Reusability is a mechanism which faculties you can reuse the field and method of a existing class when you create a new class. Then you can use a same field and method already defined in a previous class. Then how to use means the syntax of syntax in a Java of you inheritance means how to use Java means their syntax. So while means for that class, subclass which means subclass name, extend, superclass, you are using extend keyword here. And after that what you want to write in the method you can write, but you have to write extend keyword compulsorily for inheritance. So extend keyword means indicates that you can make a new class that derived from the existing class. So for that extend keyword is used. So the meaning of extend is like to increase the functionality, normally to increase the functionality. Then in the temporary means terminology of Java, a class which is inherits the class of parents or subclass, sorry, or superclass, and the new class is called as child class or subclass. Then means I will take one example, programmer and employee. So programmer is a subclass and employee is a superclass. Means like a programmer is a employee. Yeah, programmer is a employee is not a programmer. So programmer is a subclass here and employee is a superclass. Means employee is one degree. In employee there are so many terms like programmer, backend developer, like that. So programmer is a subclass of a is a subclass of a employee. So like that's all. So after that, types of inheritance in Java. So on the basis of in a class, there are three types of inheritance in Java. Means in a whole OOPS concept or in concept there are 5 inheritance, but in Java there are only 3 inheritance types in types of inheritance. So first one is single inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, and third one is hierarchical inheritance. So I will explain one by one, one by one. So single inheritance means like when a class derive another class just means one time. So this is single inheritance. So it is known as single inheritance. In the example I will means real time example for that is a dog inherit class of animal. Means in animal there is dog. So this is like inherits means a dog inherits all the property of animals, because dogs means dog is animal. So animal, after that dog. So this is the main example, simple example, real time example of single inheritance. Then what is multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means like and multiple inheritance, one class existing more than one class. So Java does not support, just I said Java does not support multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. So we are not useful for multiple inheritance. Then after that, multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance means what? When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. Means like one class can inherit from the derived class, hence the derived class become the base class, and for that a new class. Means like just I will take one real example of animals like that. Animals means in animals all the properties inherited by and dog, and dogs all properties inherited by one baby dog. Means one I will take one example of one dog is a German Shepherd. So German Shepherd inherits all the properties of dog, and dog inherits all the properties of animals. So this is how the chain is working. So this is the example of multi-level inheritance. So after that, hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance means when two or more classes inherits the single class, it is called as hierarchical inheritance. Means for that I will means example is only one dog. Like animal. So here is dog and cats inherits all the properties of animal. This is the one example. Sorry for the background because there is no room available here. So I will make the video in staff room. So dog and cat, they both are new, and they all derive means inherit the properties of animal. So this is one example of hierarchical inheritance. So after that, hierarchical hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means is a combination of single and multiple inheritance, but it's Java does not support hybrid inheritance, just I told before. So after that, super keyword. Super keyword means like a super keyword is a similar keyword with this means like this keyword. The keyword super can use to access all the any data member or method from the parent class. For that you are using super keyword. So I will take one example so you can understand technical example for inheritance. First you are making one class means calculator for cal1. So for in class cal1 you are adding int means first method is like print void add round bracket, and in curly bracket you are writing sysout addition process, and after that you are writing sysout means the second method you are writing as a subtraction method. So for subtraction method means print void subtraction round brackets and curly bracket you are writing sysout statement. So this means this is one class. After that I want to make one another class. So in the like calc1. So calc1 is my second class. For using second class means I want to access all the data from the first class, so I am using extend keyword here. Means like public static public class extends class calc to extend all the properties of extend calc1. So here what happen, all the properties of calc1 will be accessed by calc2. So here you are writing multiplication and division method, means public print void multiplication in round bracket you are writing the method of multiplication in sysout statement. After that division you are writing division method in a means print void division round bracket, and in bracket you are writing curly bracket you are writing sysout statement of division method. So after that you are making third class means which is the main class. So in main class you are making the object of, means what you have to make, you don't have to make the object of parent class, you directly can make the object of a subclass, and subclass inherit all the properties of parent class, just I explained. So what happened here, when in a main class for making the object is like you are making the object of calc2. So calc2 reference variable what you want to take, like s2. So calc2 s2 is equal to new calc2. So what happened here, you will get all the properties of calc2 and all the properties of calc1 here. So in a direct s2 dot add s2 dot subtraction, s2 dot multiplication, and s2 dot division, and you will get all the answer, means in a particular main class. So this is how inheritance work. So hope you all understand what is inheritance, their types, and means one example I just take and one real time example I just take. So that's all about inheritance. Hope you all like the video. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share to my YouTube channel. Signing out.